they would have known that I'm an African.
Exactly.
But when I was taken to the western part of the world, I was given my slave master name. So how am I free?
Not at all. Not at all. That's a badge of slavery. That's literally a
It
badge
is.
of slavery.
And let's not stray from the point that you raised about Bob Marley Beach. Okay, it is good and well enough that the beach was named after Bob Marley. Fine.
Right.
It is well deserving. However, if you are free, why is it that you want to take that away from even people who have been there for over 50 years? Why is it that the people of the country would have to go to court to determine to have access to an open beach?
Exactly.
Make that make sense.
It makes no sense. And unless you're talking money, greed, corporate
Oh,
power. Now with
okay.